The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video about the LG Rebel 4 for Straight Talk, guys. So this is a new fan for Straight Talk. This is an update over the Rebel 3 that Straight Talk had. The model number of this fan is L212VL. So that's what the fan looks like there on the front there. It's your standard budget fan. It looks like it has a 16:9 screen ratio, so your standard screen ratio there. So so let's check this phone out, shall we? So on the front you guys have a front facing camera, earpiece, your screen there, and your Android buttons. This probably has nougat or one of the two. We'll find out here in just a bit. I think your power button might be on the right side of the phone, maybe. No, your power button is on the back of the phone. My bad. Power button's on the back of the phone. Your volume button's on the left side of the phone. On the back of the LG Rebel 4, you guys have a camera flash, power button, track phone logo, LG logo, and your speaker. There is no finger. I don't think that's a fingerprint sensor. It's the same phone as the LG Zone 4, the LG Vista 2, LG Tribute Dynasty. Basically the same phone as that. So this LG Rebel 4 has 4G LTE, of course. It has a 5-inch AC display. It's TFT IPS, 1280 by 720 pixels. That's about 294 ppi right there. Camera has an 8 megapixel rear autofocus camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera with fixed focus there. Usage time, talk time up to 16 hours. Storage 16 gigabytes of RAM and 2 gigabytes of RAM there. So, this is a budget phone, so it is what it is. Dimensions of the LG Rebel 4, you guys have 5.70 inches on the height, 2.83 inches on the width, and 0.31 inches on the depth there, right? Dare to be exceptional. Now you can because you never had this much power and beauty at your fingertips. This is the new LG Rebel 4. It has all the premium features without the premium price tag, and a device that is smart, sleek, and beautiful. He would have thought that brawn and beauty could come in such a stunning package. We did that too. So basically the next thing I'll tell you guys to, if you guys want to bundle the Rebel 4 with the no contract plan, the Rebel 4 is $79.99, guys. So this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. So you're not gonna get the latest and greatest on this. So it's basically a LG Zone 4 here on Straight Talk. I think it uses Verizon towers. Correct me if I'm wrong. The specs on the LG Rebel 4, the size, dimensions again. It has 5.70 inches on the height, 2.83 inches on the width, and 0.31 inches on the depth. The frame rate is 4.95 ounces. It has a 2500 mAh battery. It is removable, so that's a win. Talk time 16 hours. Standby time 12 days. It is CDMA, so I'm assuming Verizon towers on that. What you guys get in the box is y'all guys get the LG Rebel 4. Includes charger, battery, because the battery is removable, activation card, service guide, and quick start guide there. It says a service plan required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Text LG L212VL to 611 for mobile tutorials. Alright, if you guys want to do that. The LG Rebel 4 has Android 8.1.0, has Android 8.1.0 Oreo, so that's good. 5-inch TFT IPS display, view rich, vivid imagery, and crystal clear text for clarity. Like I said, the memory is 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM. It does have a micro SD card slot there. 8 megapixel rear camera with autofocus, capture moments exactly as they happen, with instant focus and zero shutter lag. It also has a 5 megapixel front facing camera there as well. It has 4G LTE, Wi-Fi connectivity 8211 BGN. So yeah, there it is, guys. The LG Rebel 4 for Straight Talk. It's the same thing as the LG Zone 4, LG Tribute Dynasty, LG Vista 2, LG Vista 3, and all that. So this is the update to the LG Rebel 3. It's your budget phone. It's your standard budget phone. It does have Oreo, so that's the one. Has LTE, has a removable battery, a micro SD card slot, and all that good stuff there. So this is a budget friend, so you don't expect like all bells and whistles here. At least it does have audio, so that's a win. So that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys smell a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.